Hey everyone, this is Mark from mksenglish.com, and today we are going to examine an important part of English grammar, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how an action happens. They help us add more detail to our sentences. For example, he walks. Sure, this is correct, but how about he walks slowly? Now we understand how he walks. Most adverbs of manner are made by adding ly to the adjective. For example, quick, quickly, slow, slowly, careful, carefully, and quiet, quietly. She is a careful driver. She drives carefully. Notice the difference? Careful describes the person. However, carefully, well, that describes the action. All right, so now let's examine some useful examples. Quickly. The student finished the test quickly. The action was fast. Slowly. For example, the old computer starts slowly. Carefully. An example for this would be, please read the instructions carefully. Easily. She learned the new words easily. So where do we put adverbs? Well, usually adverbs of manner come after the verb. For example, he speaks clearly, they work quietly, or she sings beautifully. Verb plus adverb. But with objects, it's a little different. The adverb usually comes after the object. For example, she finished the homework quickly. Not, she finished quickly the homework. Okay. So, it's true. Not all adverbs end in ly. For example, the adjective good, we don't say goodly. We say well. For example, he plays football well. Here's another one. Hard is, well, hard. She studies hard. Not, she studies hardly. You got to be careful here because hardly has a completely different meaning. It means almost not, which is kind of the opposite, right? All right. So here's your grammar challenge. I want you to choose the correct word, careful or carefully. The sentence is, he drives, right, carefully. He drives carefully. Second chance, clear or clearly. For the sentence, she speaks English, correct, clearly. She speaks English clearly. All right, next, hard or hardly. They worked all day. Correct, hard. They worked hard all day. All right, so let's do a quick listen and repeat with some real English examples. Are you ready? Listen and repeat. I usually wake up early. I usually wake up early. She answered the question confidently. She answered the question confidently. All right, last one. They completed the project successfully. They completed the project successfully. I think you can see how adverbs make your English more detailed and natural. Okay, so today we learned that adverbs of manner describe how something happens. We usually use adjective plus ly, for example, careful, carefully, slow, slowly. But that's not always true. We have words like hard and fast. Remember though, adjectives describe things. Adverbs describe actions. Actions, verbs, add verbs, right? All right, guys, excellent work today. Good job with today's Grammar Lab experiment. If you want to experiment more, please feel free to contact me, Mark, at mksenglish.com. And until next time, keep practicing and keep improving. I'll see you next time. Bye.